For years, AI was a distant dream of science fiction. But today, it's walking among us, writing our code, even creating our art. We've crossed a critical threshold where machines are not just smart, they're learning at an exponential rate. The biggest question no longer if AI will change the world, but if it's ready to replace you. Let's find out. Once, we thought only repetitive manual labor was at risk. Not anymore. Modern AI is disrupting white-collar jobs, the very roles that once seemed safe. Customer support chatbots handle complex queries, AI writers draft articles in seconds, and even software engineers are using AI to code faster than ever. Reports suggest millions of jobs could be automated by 2030. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about cost-cutting, and businesses are watching closely. So is it time to panic? Not entirely. While AI excels at logic and data, it fundamentally lacks true human qualities. Think empathy, emotional intelligence, critical decision-making based on ethics, and genuine unbound creativity. An AI can mimic human connection, but it can't feel it. It can write a song, but it won't understand the heartache behind it. Jobs demanding deep human connection, abstract problem-solving, and unique artistic vision are, for now, our human shield. The future isn't about AI replacing you, but rather a human using AI replacing a human not using AI. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptation. Learning to effectively use AI as a tool to amplify your productivity, enhance your creativity, and solve complex problems will be your superpower. Embrace AI, don't fear it. Become the co-pilot, not the passenger. The AI revolution is here. It will redefine industries, careers, and how we live. Will you be a part of the change, or will you be left behind? Your thoughts matter. Share them in the comments below. If this deep dive opened your eyes, give it a like and share it. And for more essential insights into the future of tech in our world, make sure to subscribe to InfoSpark. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead.